$268,000 is how much we're up in the last 90 days. That's right, $268,000. We're going to give you tonight 24 of the trades we're going to be trading this week in the SPX 0DTEs. We trade over 125 a day, over 30,000 trades in SPX every single year. In our funds, we also create a 6 trade a day challenge starting with $30,000 90 days ago. That account is up 10 grand, so that's about 120% rate of return. So tonight, I'm going to give you the 6 trades that we're going to put on every single day in the $30,000 account, and I'm going to give you 24 of the 125 or 130 trades we're going to be putting on in our large funds. Let's get right down to it. I want to mention before we get started that everything on this channel is free. Some people have asked, do we have a service or something that you have to pay for? No, it's all free. If you find anything of value with this free information, it would be awesome if you could hit subscribe below and maybe like some of these videos. It would be also great if you had any questions, put them in the comments. If you have any trades you want us to take a look at and want our advice, just put it in the comments. We do read every single comment that's in there, and we try and respond to most of them, actually. So let's go through my notes. I had some technical difficulties today. Scheduling. This is a short week because of Christmas. So Wednesday's a half day. Do not trade it for the SPX. Christmas Day, it's not closed. Market's closed except for futures. And that's okay. Now, on Friday, it's open, but it's a very light day. We probably will not trade SPX on Friday because the volatility is kind of high. You get that M&M market graph. We don't like it, but we're trading addicts, and so we might have to do it just to get some action. I will say the futures are open every single day this week for sure. We will be scalping NQs, and we'll be doing our typical NQ programs. And we've got a video coming out on those NQ investments, so you know what those are. Oh, also big news. We have 5, count them 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually, chapters in a video coming out, and that'll be out on Monday. And that's going to show you everything that we do. Let me give you my notes here. So it's going to show how we run over 20 million back tests every single weekend. It's going to show you how we structure our results that we get from those back tests. It's going to tell you about how we use the AI what we call the ATM, the AI trading machine, to manipulate all that data and to kick out for us the best trades for that particular week. Then we're going to also talk about how we do forward testing, how we look at our results and we compare that back to the back testing to make sure that the back testing is accurate. And finally, we're going to talk about our ATM 2.0. Again, these are all internal mechanisms that we use. And our ATM 2.0, it actually adjusts the trades for risk tolerance. I'm a little bit older. My risk tolerance is lower. I'm willing to take less of a max drawdown in exchange for less. I'm willing to take less risk in exchange for less payment. Now, Tyler, my 30-year-old son, he's young, obviously, so he's willing to take more risk in exchange for a higher rate of return. And so the ATM 2.0 adjusts for that. Now, but tonight is really all about these trades. I know that's what you want to get, and you want to get to the trades, so let's do it. Let's see, what do my notes say here? Okay, so unfortunately, I cannot show them to you on the screen. So we're just going to have to go through them, and I'm going to have to read them to you, frankly. So let me get them over here to you and get out your pen and paper. Now, the good thing about YouTube is you can always go back. You can rewind it, go back and look at it. I'm going to try and give them to you in order and talk to you a little bit about these trades and which ones are good and why, what I would do. And by the way, gun to my head, what would be the best trade? People say, oh, what's the best trade of the day? Best trade of the day. Best trade of the day is probably going to be at noon this week. So let's take a look at what we got. First trade you're going to make is again, not financial advice. This is just us, okay? This is just what we're doing. This is for entertainment, so you can follow us. Otherwise, the lawyers have a fit. Okay, 954, you're going to put on a $3 multiple entry iron condor, 95% stop loss. At 1043, you're going to put on a 225 exponential moving average trade, 90% stop loss. Again, if you don't know what these things are, the good news is that our 5-part series that's coming out on Monday will explain it to you. You can also take a look at some of my prior videos that talk about it briefly and explain it, or you just look on YouTube. But these are pretty straightforward. They're all either multiple entry iron condor or exponential moving averages. We use the 20 versus the 40 minute, 20 minute versus the 40 minute to do our EMAs, the exponential moving average. All right, third trade will also be at 1043. So you're doubling down at 1043. You're going to do a $1.80 premium EMA with 90% stop loss. At 1050, you're going to do two of them there also. You'll do a $1.45 MEC with 95% stop loss, and a 1050 $1.75 MEC with 95% stop loss. At noon, one of the best trades of the whole week, probably the best trade, is going to be a $2.25 MEC with 95% stop loss. And then you're going to do another one, which is a $1.45 MEC with 95% stop loss. Then we'll do at 1207 a 175 MEC with 95% stop loss. At 1207 again, we'll do a 145 MEC with 95% stop loss. At 1256, you're going to do a $3 MEC with 225% stop loss. At 1256, again doubling down, you go $3 EMA with 225% stop loss. At 1303, you're going to do a $3 MEC at 225% stop loss. At 1310, you'll do a $3 MEC with 185% stop loss. And at 1551, we're going to do two trades. We're going to do the 225 EMA 90% stop loss, and we're going to do the $1.80 EMA 90% stop loss. Last week, we did 4 EMAs in our main account. I think we actually did 5 EMAs in our larger accounts. They won 3 out of 5 days. They were gigantic winners. So don't be afraid of doing those. All right, so now let's go to the 6 trades a day challenge. This one, like I said, it's up 10,000 bucks, 9,800 in 3 months. So like 120 something percent. This is for people with a much smaller account. And by the way, all the ones I just read in the $1 Million Challenge, I forgot to tell you, those are all 150 wide. But I got to get this video out as I got like 2 minutes, so I can't go back and redo it. But on the 6 trades a day, they're only 50 wide, okay? Now the first one you're going to put on at 10:01, that's a $1.45 multiple. They're all multiple entry iron condors. They're all 95% stop losses. They're all 50 wide at the 6 trades a day. So you're going to go at 10:01 for $1.45. You're going to go at 10:43 for $1.45. You're going to go at 11:04 for $2.25. You're going to go at noon for $2.25. That noon showed up again. You're going to go at 15:02 for $2.25. You're going to go at 15:23 for $1.45. And the gambler special, we're going to go in at 15:51 for $2.25. I apologize that we're having technical difficulties, but I figured let's get it out rather than trying to get through these niceties. At any rate, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't tell me that the technology stinks. And I hope you have a great trading week. Hopefully we'll get more Maria soon.